color green has healing power and is understood to be the most restful and relaxing color for the human eye to view. We have our members in green confident with relaxing mood are eagerly waiting to take oath as office bearers. I request our area director, Dr. Beena Shetty, to conduct the proceedings. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Toastmaster Smita, for that kind introduction. Chief guest of the evening, Dr. Mamata Satish, District Director, DTM Nirmala Lili, PQD DTM Vanita Rangarajan, CGD DTM Savita Salyan, Division Director DTM Molly Chowdhury, Co-Area Directors Toastmasters Sapna, Deepa and Jyotika, Bantwal Speech Weavers Toastmasters, guests, a very good evening. Let me begin with a quote of Emily Dickinson. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. Let's keep hope in our hearts, fluttering its wings all the time like this little bird. For hope makes us creative and challenges us to unleash our inner strength by way of commitment and sets us on the path towards attaining our goals. Toastmaster Dr. Shashikala Somayaji, despite your busy schedule, you and your team have worked hard to make your club presidents distinguished. No mean achievement that, considering that it was the first year of the club. Congratulations to you all. Today, we have another busy doctor, Toastmaster Bharati Shetty, taking the reins of the club. I am sure that will not keep her from working towards the goals of her club. Toastmaster Bharati and team, dare to dream, make a plan, think positive, keep your hopes alive, reach your goal. May you have a fabulous year ahead. You can count on my full support. I have great pleasure in installing Toastmaster Bharati Shetty and the officers of Bantwal Speech Weavers Club. Before I start the installation ceremony, I request the current club officers to please turn on your video and rise in the places from where you are connected. Dear officers, you had a successful term and you all should be extremely proud for serving magnificently in your respective offices. On behalf of Bantwal Speech Weavers, District 121 and Toastmasters International, I would like to say a big thank you for all your hard and successful work this term. I hereby discharge you from all further duties and responsibilities of your respective office. Everyone, please unmute yourselves, switch on your videos, and give the outgoing officers a big round of applause for the wonderful service they have rendered to this club. You may take your seats. Now, I request the elected officers to turn on the video. I humbly request the audience to please withhold applause till the installation ceremony is concluded. I am here to install the officers of Bantwal Speech Weavers Club and to prepare them for the challenges that lie ahead. Their collective challenge is to make this club strong and dedicated to helping people from all walks of life to speak in an effective manner, listen with sensitivity, and passionately lead to help many individuals. Each officer is obligated to attend club executive committee meetings, attend district-sponsored club officer training, prepare a successor for his/her respective office. I request the moderator to spotlight the video of respective officer when I install them. I request each officer to hold a pen or a wreath that signifies the gavel as a symbol of leadership as I briefly describe the challenges she or he must meet and the responsibilities she or he must fulfill. Moderator, please spotlight Toastmaster Veena Tolpadi. Toastmaster Veena Tolpadi, as Sergeant at Arms, your responsibilities include arrange the meeting room, maintain club equipment in working order, ensure that adequate club supplies are available, set up the room before meeting begins, make sure that all relevant educational PR materials are displayed, attend to special equipment needs, greet guests, help the president make sure the meeting begins on time. Toastmaster Veena Tolpadi, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will do.
Moderator, please spotlight Toastmaster Prakash Baliga. Please hold a pen, Toastmaster Prakash. Yes. Toastmaster Prakash Baliga, as treasurer, you are expected to keep financial records and prepare the club budget. Announce when it is time for members to pay dues. Explain the dues structure to members. Collect dues. Work with the secretary to ensure that the club submits dues on time to Toastmasters International World Headquarters. Toastmaster Prakash Baliga, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. Moderator, please spotlight Toastmaster Vani Ritesh. Toastmaster Vani Ritesh, as secretary, you maintain an accurate membership roster. Work with the treasurer to ensure that new member application and dues get to the Toastmaster International World Headquarters as soon as possible. Submit the new club officer list to Toastmaster International on time. Work with the treasurer to submit your club semi-annual report and dues to Toastmaster International on time. Provide the club with minutes of each meeting. Toastmaster Vani Ritesh, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. Moderator, please spotlight Toastmaster Shruti Matta. Toastmaster Shruti Matta, as VP Public Relations, you are expected to attract visitors to the club through free publicity. Use a variety of means to promote the club and its members in as many mediums as possible, such as digital, print, TV, internet, or newspaper. Enlist your fellow club members in PR activities, providing them with promotional materials and ideas for inviting guests. Regularly recognize member achievements with methods such as announcements, newsletters, emails, and articles that you submit for the district bulletin. Toastmaster Shruti, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. Moderator, please spotlight Toastmaster Ahmad Mustafa. Please hold a pen. Yes. Toastmaster Ahmad Mustafa, as VP membership, you are expected to lead the club's membership building efforts, help members with any requirement during their journey, listen to their grievances, and provide emotional support if they need. While VPPR motivates people to visit the club, you motivate the current members to invite guests. Promptly give new member applications and dues to the secretary and treasurer. Personally greet guests and provide them guest packets, including a membership application. Make sure each guest hears about the benefits of Toastmasters and gets a personal invitation to become a member. Toastmaster Ahmad Mustafa, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. Moderator, please spotlight Toastmaster Reena Niranjan. Toastmaster Reena Niranjan, as Vice President Education, you are expected to gain commitments from members to set educational goal for themselves. Assure that club members are aware of the schedule of meeting roles. Plan meetings that will assist members in meeting their individual goals. Work with club members to keep meetings fun and well run. Work with your members to ensure that they submit their applications for educational awards promptly. Provide for educational topics at club meetings such as those from the Successful Club Series and Leadership Excellence Series. Represent your club at area and district council meetings. As the second highest ranking officer, preside over the meeting when the club president is absent. Toastmaster Reena Niranjan, will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Moderator, please spotlight Toastmaster Bharati Shetty. Toastmaster Bharati Shetty, as president of Bantwal Speech Weavers Club, you are the chief executive officer. Thus, you preside at all club meetings and all meetings of the club executive committee. It is your challenge to see that this club adds new members and meets the needs of its current members to achieve their communication and leadership goals. Establish a club climate that is supportive, stimulating, and rewarding to its members. Realize that among the resources available, your commitment is towards fellow club members, officer team, area director, division director, district 121 officers, and officers of the Toastmaster International headquarters. Toastmaster Bharati, you hold the bunch of green leaves, the wreath, as a symbol of the power and authority that your club has given you during your term of office. I am confident that you will use it wisely and with restraint. You are the member of your team as well as a leader. A team is more than a collection of people. It is an emotional force rooted in the feelings, thoughts, and actions of all members with the common goal of achievement, sharing, and mutual support. Work with your team members to create a healthy, dynamic club, a club which everyone will be proud. Toastmaster Bharati Shetty, as a member of Bantwal Speech Weavers Club, as well as its leader, you will work with your executive team and club members to make this a vibrant and a rewarding club this term and help every individual with honesty, loyalty, and empathy.
Yes, I will.
Thank you, Toastmaster Bharati. Dear members of Bantwal Speech Weavers Club, please turn on your video and rise at the places from where you are connected. Your officer team has just pledged to serve this club to the best of its ability, to be the best Toastmaster club possible and meet the needs of all its members. Your club will need active participation from each member. Do you as members pledge to work together with your officer team to make Bantwal Speech Weavers Club the finest Toastmaster club it can possibly be?
Yes, we will.
Yes, we will. Yes.
Thank you. Please take your seats. By the authority vested in me as the area director of District 121, it is my sincere pleasure to declare that these Toastmasters officers installed in their respective club offices. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to the Bantwal Speech Weavers Club executive team for the term July 2020 to June 2021. Congratulations and good luck to Toastmaster Bharati and team. All may now unmute, switch on their video and applaud. Over to the MC.
Thank you, beloved TM Veena ma'am, for administering this swearing-in ceremony.